The next chapter that we deal with in chemistry is chemical kinetics. This chapter is a pretty simple chapter if you remember all the formulas carefully and you can interpret data properly. So this is the first question. We need to calculate T0.75 upon T0.5 for a first order reaction. T0.75 means when the 3/4 reaction is complete, that is if the initial concentration of the reactant was C0, the final concentration has become C0 by 4. Now for a first order reaction you should always remember the formula Kt is equal to ln C0 upon Ct or 2.303 log of C0 upon Ct, where C0 is the initial concentration and Ct is the concentration after time t. So on using this formula we get K into T of 0.75, this will be equal to ln of C0 upon, now since 3/4 of the reaction is complete, the initial reactant is only 1/4 left. Similarly for Kt 0.5, this will be equal to ln of C0 upon C0 by 2. On dividing these two we get T of 0.75 upon T of 0.5 is equal to ln 4 upon ln 2, that is equal to 2. Therefore we get the ratio, but this question could have been done more easily just if you could analyze the property of first order reaction. For first order reaction T0.5 is equal to T half, that is equal to time in which the initial concentration of the reactant becomes half. This is equal to ln 2 by K and is equal to constant, that is independent of the concentration of the reactant. Independent of concentration of reactant, initial concentration. So if the initial concentration was C0, to bring down the concentration to C0 by 2, the time taken is equal to T half. Now to bring down the concentration from C0 by 2 to C0 by 4, the time taken will again be T half. This is because, let us visualize the first order reaction from this point of time. From this point of time the reaction will be first order, and for it to reduce to half its original concentration, which is C0 by 2 now, it will take time T half, which is equal to ln 2 by K. The rate of reaction has not changed and it is independent of the initial concentration, therefore the time taken here was T half and here also it is T half. Therefore the time taken for it to reduce to 1/4 its concentration is 2 times T half. Therefore T of 0.75 is equal to 2 times T of 0.5, therefore we get the ratio as 2. So this is a very important property of first order reaction which you should always use, that it keeps on reducing to half its value in time T half. So our final answer is that the ratio is